There are several ways that the water capture capabilities of floating domes can be harnessed to create freshwater reservoirs. Number 1. Solar still. Its function: a solar still uses solar energy to evaporate water, allowing impurities to be left behind. The evaporated water condenses on a cooler surface and collects as distilled water. Its design typically uses a basin filled with untreated water covered by a transparent lid that traps heat, facilitating evaporation and condensation. Number 2. Water pot. Its function: the water pot is a more advanced, self-cleaning solar desalination system that utilizes a wick structure to absorb seawater and facilitate evaporation and condensation. It is designed to float on water and is inspired by natural systems like mangrove trees. Its design features a semi-spherical aluminum plate that increases the surface area for evaporation, with a transparent cover to trap heat. It also incorporates a storage compartment for collecting the distilled water. Number 3. Thermal distillation or desalination. This is a traditional and effective technique for desalinating water. This method involves heating seawater to produce water vapor. This is then condensed into a liquid, leaving the salt and other impurities behind. Solar lens. A solar lens can boil seawater for desalination. They can concentrate solar energy onto a small area, significantly increasing the local temperature of the seawater. This process enhances the evaporation rate of the water, allowing for effective distillation and production of fresh water. Water lens. It uses water puddles trapped on hanging transparent plastic sheets. Focusing sunlight onto a small area, a water lens generates enough heat to cook food or boil water placed on a focal point. All these systems can be effectively implemented in a floating geodesic dome that captures freshwater precipitation. Let us rethink our building system to adapt to Mother Nature and to find technologies that bring us more in harmony with the ecosystem. Support me, http://buymecoffee.com. Neslin SP